crowdsourcing platform is a platform that provides works or tasks that are distributed online and must be complete on the platform. There are many crowdsourcing platforms available out there, and freelancer platform that I already signed up at Freelancer, Upwork, Behance, LinkedIn, and Workana platform to find work. There are an advantage and disadvantage of freelance. The advantage of freelance is freedom of choosing client. Freelancer have the distinct advantage of being able to pick and choose which client they work with. They can also deal with a large number of clients or just a few select one. The second advantage of freelancing is you have a flexible time. Freelancer enjoy the flexibility that most individual desire because they have complete control over their client and workload. You have the freedom and control to work full-time for the majority of the year and only part-time during the summer. As a freelancer, I would have complete control over my remote work schedule. Some day I focus on my personal project like the website before returning to the client work later in the day. If procrastinate, I finish my client work late at night, on weekend, or whenever my schedule allows, as long as I didn't miss any deadline. The option to choose your workload is another advantage of freelancing. You have the freedom to work as much as little as you choose, and you can choose tasks that are important to you without the distraction of a full job, such as meeting, office distraction. You can focus on the work you enjoy. Many occupations provide variety, but working as a freelancer allows you to work on a wide range of projects and areas. Working in-house for one organization may not provide experience in other industry or field. Freelancing allows you to expand your horizon. This variation can help to create a less regular and uninteresting environment. Freelance also have their disadvantage, like client may pay late the payment. We have a lot to say about late paying client, although some of the client do pay on time. One of the most significant difference between freelancing and working full-time is that when you work full-time, you are paid twice a month or every other week as common. It would be unusual if you didn't get paid on the expected date. Freelancers, on the other hand, are responsible for paying self-employment tax and ensuring that they are paid on a quarterly basis. However, freelancers are eligible for deduction that employees are not. Tax can be a disadvantage of freelancing, so keep rules and law in mind while determining your price. As a freelancer, you must assume that your client will provide you check or deposit for your service that do not include tax. When tax time comes around, you will have to pay tax and declare all of your earnings. Lastly, finding consistent work is a major disadvantage of freelancing. Project can start and then be abandoned. Clients have the option to terminate a contract early. After completing a project, you may find it difficult to locate new work. Finding client was the largest issue mentioned in FlexJob study of freelancer, which in 65%. And next is experience I get from this crowdsourcing platform is I'm joining a contest even I'm not getting any job and only get a rating star for a contest. I also receive a message from a scammer that offer me a job outside the freelance platform to get the job, but for sure I'm not texting the client because it is a scam and client only can offer job on the platform only. In future, I think I will use this crowdsourcing platform as a part-time after graduate before getting a permanent job. Before this, I never know the existence of this platform, and this platform offer a big opportunity to people out there to make a profit. Maybe I can improve my CV and my portfolio before I submit it to the client and get a project soon. I will also improve my skill in photo editing and learning more software to be an eligible candidate for the project. I will also learn some new skill and keep my skill update as a freelancer. That's all. Thank you.